HONGREAT is the first manufacturer for blood collection tube machine in China. We have been focusing on blood collection tube machine for more than 21 years. HONGREAT can provide you turnkey solution from zero to production fulfillment. Until 2024, we already have over 230 global clients and exported to over 40 countries with the most stable and reliable products with excellent performance and after-sales services. HONGREAT becomes the preferred choice for machine partner to produce high-quality blood collection tube